this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design, and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, this is the website. Um, my boss figures that like an agency could get 1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Okay, I would add your gallery, I mean your photos in this gallery link, this link, and of course your contact details on this link. We can also add the map on this side. And if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, we can also add it here. And about the company as well on this link. Yeah, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie and I'm working at Asian Boomer Marketing and Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you.